All right, ladies and gentlemen, this is version 2 of pine tree trimming. Going up the ladder.
Safely.
Ain't she pretty?
Safely.
Yep, she's checking for safety. She got her glasses on and her glove. She's spinning around the saw. Go up one more step if you can. You don't have to hold it up above your head. All right, here we go. Her brand new chainsaw she got for Christmas this year. She's so happy, so excited. That baby is sharp, buddy. It's spitting out chips like nobody's business. There it goes. It's coming down. It is coming down. All right, we're gonna have to do a little tug on it. Have to get it. There it is. It's loose.
Yeah.
Once again. Let me pull it. There you go. Look at that. Whoop, whoop. I'm telling you, she is a tree trimming machine.
I had a good teacher.
That's right.
He taught
You
me
did.
safety,
That's right.
what to do when. I could not do it without my man.
I'm telling you.
Woo!
There we go. Look at there, what a tree limb. That
Now
thing.
we got to cut it up.
Ooh, yeah. We got to finish our work now. Now the work really starts.
Yeah.
All right, ladies and gentlemen. Say bye to Shishi.